Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make soup Vismai food, only way. Start by sautéing aromatics in 2 tablespoons of oil until translucent, then add diced vegetables and spices. Pour in 4 cups of broth and simmer gently for 20 minutes to meld flavors. Blend partially for texture or leave chunky. Taste and adjust salt, acidity, and herbs. Serve hot with a squeeze of lemon and warm bread. Gather fresh vegetables, aromatics, broth, and seasonings before you start. Chop vegetables uniformly for even cooking. Use quality broth for depth. Water works with extra seasoning. Toast spices briefly to release oils. Keep some vegetables aside for texture if you plan to blend. Use a heavy pot to maintain steady heat and prevent scorching. Taste early and often, adjusting seasoning and acidity until the soup sings. Simmer gently rather than boil to keep flavors clear and vegetables tender. Stir occasionally and skim foam to keep the broth bright. If blending, reserve half the soup and blend the rest to maintain texture. Return blended portion and reheat slowly, tasting for salt and acid. Finish with fresh herbs, a drizzle of good oil, or a splash of cream if desired. Serve hot with appropriate garnishes and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.